It's me, and today I want to show you it's a baby bird. It's a baby. It's just a baby, you guys. We found it abandoned in a nest. I got it today, and I thought, why don't I just do a video of him? Well, it's a her. Her name is Rosie. My cousin also got one, but I don't want to put her in because I don't want you guys thinking that I have two. So, I'm going to tell you what to feed them. So, what you want to do is grab cat food or dog food, or maybe both, put milk in it, and make sure it's warm and heat it up. And grab like a shot tube or something. What are they called again?
Syringes.
Get out a syringe. I don't know how to pronounce it. Syringe. And fill it up, and then try to get your baby bird to open its mouth. And then when you feed it.
Hey, somebody comment on your video of the Monster High one.
Who?
Somebody did, and they said it was really cool, and they wanted to see more.
Oh.
At least they have somebody.
Okay.
I
gotta figure out how to know. Well, I'm doing a video, so could you kind of...
Thought that person might want to know that I read that, and you got it.
So that's exactly what she said. Yours is hungry. They're both hungry now.
You know when it does that, it's probably just yawning.
There they are. There she is.
I got the food.
There's Rosie. What?
Let me get the food.
I'm feeding mine first because mine did it first. I'm gonna feed
If you
him.
guys didn't know, got a haircut.
You're like, don't do that. This ring is like falling right off. Hey, I have to put mine away.
I'm trying to make it open its mouth again.
I saw him wait. Here, we can wait.
And then when you got it, just...
Yeah, we'll wait till the morning. If they're like, it depends if when they do this, like this.
You had a very bad ability.
I know.
Food.
Like do this. It's either they're yawning or they're hungry. So warm up milk and some cat food together, like put milk and cat food in like plastic and like
when this
container kind of, and then cut it. So and use a syringe.
Can't really use it right now.
Yeah.
Because
make sure it works.
And make sure your stuff is really watery so it actually goes down their throat and stuff.
Because if it chokes them, they will probably die. Oh, you guys will laugh so hard. My bird, Rosie, when I was holding it, pooped on my hand.
Yeah, so we had to put bedding and stuff in there.
Yeah, here.
It's like toilet paper.
Yeah.
It's just toilet paper.
Stop it.
It's like full out just toilet paper.
I'm going to show them this. This, one of them is mine, one of them is hers.
The one that you can see now is mine.
I don't know if you can see it. Can I see it?
That one's mine. That one's hers is the bigger one.
I don't. You guys comment down below if you saw it. We're gonna have to put them away. Our moms have no idea we have them. So that's that. If they poop on your hand, just act like it never happened. But make sure you always clean it up because it probably will stain. As I told you, we just got it today. This might be the shortest video I've ever done. If you guys want more of my bird, just
Well,
please
we barely do videos.
I know because I'm never here. Please put a like, comment down below what kind, if you like birds, and do you want one? And subscribe and hit the bell comment. You do not have to, but it would be amazing.
We have one extra bird.
What? Oh yeah, we do. We have one extra bird. So if the first one that comments down below, I want a bird, will get a little baby bird.
Well, we have to. Well,
we have to meet somewhere or something.
Yeah, it has to be somewhere close to Sydney and stuff.
Yeah, make sure you're close to Sydney. If you're not, that's okay. We can figure out how to contact each other. If you don't live in Sydney,
if you can't contact her, contact me. My Snapchat is Nevaeh, KWolfie87.
KWolfie87.
That's my Snapchat, and go ahead and add me, and then I can talk to her
and tell me what they said, as long as they want you to. I don't really know. So yeah, that will be the end of this video. You guys don't have to like, but that would be amazing if you did, because I don't even think I have any subscribers yet. I think I have like 2.
You have more than 2.
Yeah, probably. I only have like 5 subscribers, so please subscribe.
What?
Need it. Yeah, I do need it. If I can get up to 50 subscribes, if I can get 50 likes on this video, one of you, the first one that likes this video, say, I liked first, and I want a bird. And if you comment down below, I liked first, I want a bird, then your phone number, and then I will call you and tell you, you won the bird. Okay?
You won the bird.
Oh, you won the bird. Oh, you won the bird. It's the biggest prize of the year. So please like, subscribe, hit the bell and comment down below. You don't have to. It would be amazing if you did. Bye.